Hey folks, welcome to today's show. Today we're going to talk about and assemble the SA Sports Empire Aggressor Crossbow. It comes with a blazing speed of 390 feet per second and a draw weight of 185 pounds. But before we get started on this crossbow assembly, let's show you all the components that come with your crossbow package. Barrel stock and adjustable buttstock, riser and limbs with string stoppers, scope, shoulder sling, foregrip, tactical foregrip, quiver with 3 arrows, foot stirrup, claw quiver mount with side bracket, rope cocking device, cable slide, nose bolt, 3 grub screws, rail loop, and Allen keys. Alright, the first thing we're going to do right now is connect the cable slide onto the cables with the riser and connect the riser with the cable slide onto the barrel. Okay, first thing we're going to do is connect the cable slide onto the cables and slide it to the center. As you can see, the wedge that's pointing forward is sliding towards the crosses of the cable. Cable slide into the center of the barrel. Concave side is facing upward to match the contour side of the inside of the barrel. That the barrel and the riser are all the way in and there's no space left between. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is get the washers and the nose bolt. And the first washer you're going to put in is the lock washer. And then you're just going to put the regular washer. And slide it into the nose bolt hole in the center. And wiggle in, tighten it with your fingers. Now you want to do is tighten it very securely. Okay, once we tighten the nose bolt onto the barrel, you want to flip it over, and the center part here of the riser, a grub screw goes there. So you can secure the nose bolt so it doesn't let it vibrate out when you shoot. Okay, once we already securely tightened the riser to the barrel, you want to go ahead and get your foot stirrup and connect that to your riser. You want to flip the bow around, grab your foot stirrup, and the slots are facing upward towards these holes where the grub screws are going to go into the holes in front of the riser. You grab your grub screws, it's already on the Allen key, and just screw it right in until it's securely tightened. And do the same with the other one. Okay, the next step is to mount the side quiver mount onto the pinion rail of the bottom of the barrel. So you want to make sure, and I like sometimes there's 2 slots back, and this center rod falls into that slot and keeps it securely tightened. Once you do that, it falls right into place. You want to make sure it's there, and you go ahead and tighten the screws in. So to slide in the quiver onto your quiver mount, this curved area is what slides into the upper side of it. So you just go ahead, push right in. Once you're there, then you go ahead and push the locking lever down so it can lock securely. Okay, now that all the components on the front are securely tightened, we're going to go ahead and mount the scope onto the pinion rail on top. So what you want to do is have the locking bolt screws as loosened as possible, so when you come over the top and they just grab and you slide right in, and then you can tighten it. That way you can also move it from right to left when you're looking through it, and your center line is as level as possible to your front end of your crossbow. Hey folks, so we finally finished assembling the SA Sports Empire crossbow. So now you're ready to take it out and sight it in. I'm Peter Blofield. Enjoy the outdoors and be safe.